So how to blur on your so how to blur video in your CapCut apps. If you want to blur whole video, then you have to select whole video, and if you want to blur a specific area, then you can split some section. Suppose I want to blur this section only, split this one, and you have to go effect option, overlay effect, press on it and edit on video effect. Then you see a lot of filter, so I need blur option. Then you have to go lens, open close and then lens, press on it and scroll down and you see blur, cinema blur, press on it
on
and
gallery. Save the
now you can adjust your blur setting, and you can also adjust it low blur or high blur, or you can wish.
save box, save to share it.
This is how you can easily blur a video in your CapCut apps. Thank you.